BTS has 1400 plus awards. We have all heard that, right? And we have also heard they paid for it. So today we are not arguing, we are counting. Before diving into that paid or not thing, we will count from 2013 to 2026. Did BTS actually win 1400 plus awards or it's a fan-made thing? Stay till the end. I'll not throw a list of awards. We will understand it chronologically as a beautiful story. BTS debuted in 2013 under Big Hit Entertainment, not the part of Big 3 back then. Big Hit wasn't even considered big, it has big in its name only, and then BTS made it big and super hit. Today, people consider HYBE in Big 4 because of BTS. Now, before you start a fight here on who paved the way and all that, earlier HYBE was known as Big Hit labels. Right, you heard me right. And then they rebranded it as HYBE in 2021. Old ARMY already know this, even I didn't know. And when I randomly saw this post on Pinterest back in 2023 or 24, it flipped my whole world. Like, how the hell I didn't know this? Maybe because no one generally tell this to new ARMY. Did you know this before? So, coming to the topic again, no industry backing, no inherited fame. Their early success didn't actually dominate charts, but they earned rookie awards. And that's where the count begins. They documented everything, literally everything, even the lows when they never won Grammy but made a vlog or kind of behind the scenes which they post on their own channel Bangtan TV. By the way, BTS has more subscribers than HYBE itself. BTS didn't explode overnight. They accumulated album awards, song and performance awards. By the most beautiful moment in life era, they were winning Bosangs. By Wings and Love Yourself era, they were winning Daesang. In 2023, BTS has a total of 67 Daesangs, the most in South Korean history. Now 74 as per Google data, right? The number cannot be bought. Daesangs are decided by sales, charts, judges, and industry metrics combined, so there's no payment system for that. People actually listen their songs. ARMY who stream on Spotify must be knowing this iconic playlist. Full playlist of all BTS songs. This is BTS playlist. Most saved playlist on Spotify. Now let's pause the noise and look at the proof. When you count Korean award shows, international award shows, fan voted ceremony, music show wins, the combined wins are around 686. Like, it's a conservative number, no solos or records added. And no, you don't need to rely on Google AI summaries. This data was cross-checked using Google, ChatGPT, Wikipedia and other fan archives which you are seeing on your screen. And that's how it looks in real. Alright, so either consider it as a meme or anything, but that's how their success looks. Like the change in 2 years and the next 2 years. Oh my god, insane, right? But it was result of their... Even if the video ended here, BTS would still be among the most awarded acts in the music history, but this is where confusion begins. People say BTS paid for awards. Let's be clear. If awards could be bought, every rich company would sweep their songs. Rookie groups would never beat seniors. BTS wouldn't have won before they had money. Awards like Billboard Music Awards, American Music Awards are based on data, sales, charts, and public metrics audited by the third parties. You can buy ads, but you cannot buy independent market data across countries, right? And yes, some awards are biased at times, like Money Wins. I won't name the names, like name of group. You can discuss that in the comments, but that doesn't erase verified data. Also, many fandoms buy votes, like you can see it on Twitter pages, now X. So they do giveaways of votes and all that, so that's fandom's own choice, not the artist order to do so. I won't name any fandom. You can name your own observation. If you have seen any ARMY or other fandom doing this, let me know in comments. I will also love to see what the truth is. Now the thing is, from where this 1400 plus number come from? Here's the real explanation. People say 1400 plus because they count everything, not just group awards but solo member awards after 2022. Music show wins counted per song, Guinness World Records, cultural and government honors. Like, when you combine all this 686 plus hundreds of solo era wins, records, recognition, everything, the total crosses 1400. Is it one official award table? No. Is it fake? Also no. It's an expanded recognition count, not a single award show total. Now the question arises, why BTS get targeted for this? From where this paid thing is coming from? No one audits mid-level success like People ordered dominance. BTS won in Korea, US, Japan, across Europe, in fan voted and industry judged platforms. When success crosses borders, analysis turns into excuses. Listen it again. When success crosses borders, analysis turns into excuses. Now, I don't know if anyone will say you are just randomly throwing facts which has no verification. So, I don't know how to verify this. We will search it on internet obviously, right? So let's answer the title honestly. Did BTS actually win 1400 plus awards? The normal data, which is believable as per their level, their success level, that they must have won real 600 plus awards. That's acceptable, right? And total recognitions including solo works, records and honors. That's how it actually make that 1400 plus number. And when you see the solo success, solo ones are like sweeping hundreds of awards in one album. And I'm glad their solo era is not flop at all. All 7 members are in the list. Also, it's past year data and collages will be getting new this year, right? 2026 is BTS year. They are back and they will do comeback with Arirang. So you don't need to exaggerate BTS success. Even the conservative count speaks loud enough. And if someone still says they paid for it, ask them one thing. Then why hasn't anyone else done it the same way? Big companies were always there before hype. Now, if this made sense to you, leave a like. Also, you may arise any argument against the data I have shown in the video as a constructive criticism, not as hate. You may suggest some more topics as well, which you think no one talks about and should get talked. I'll analyze them with facts and present it all in front of you. And to get the notification of those videos, simply subscribe and turn on the bell notification to all. Till then, take care. Go ahead, let me know your views on this video.